What is up, guys? This is Adrian Ryan here once again, and today we're going to be doing some Guess Who packs with my brother. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, and make sure to enter my 100K giveaway that I was going to do. It's going to be revealed on January 10th, so make sure you get into that, guys. And under all odds, the Steelers made it to the playoffs. I said in my giveaway that they would totally do it. So, under all odds, they needed to beat the Cleveland Browns, which is not the hardest thing in the world. And the Bills had to beat the Jets. And both those things happened, so the Steelers are going to be in the playoffs, so woohoo!
Woo!
Alright, so today we are going to be doing Guess Who Large Quick Sells with my brother. So, Hayden, I'm gonna show off mine, and you're gonna look the other way, and you're gonna show off yours, and I'm gonna look the other way.
Okay.
Alright. Large quick sell. Here, guys, here's mine. Right here. It's not clear to see, but you can see the number down below. Alright. Alright, Hayden, go ahead. Do yours, I'm not looking.
Okay.
Close to the screen, make sure they can see it.
Okay.
Did they see it? Did they see it, Hayden? Did they see it?
If you read that, guys, I don't know if you read it, but still.
Alright, put it down, Hayden. Do you have it down?
Yes.
Alright. So, you can guess first. You're the guest here today. What do you say, Hayden?
Guess.
Yes.
1K. Of course.
No. Is
Okay.
yours 10K or under?
Yes, it's 10K. Is yours 10K and over?
Yes, sir. Is yours 1K?
No. Is yours 25K?
No. Is yours 5K?
No.
Okay.
Is yours 100K?
Is yours 10K?
Yes. Yours is 50K.
Mine's 10.
10K?
We both got 10K, boys.
Dang it!
You got 10K too?
Yeah.
Alright.
Now let's open our pro pack.
Alright, and we're going to guess the highest player, guys. We might... Hayden, do you have enough money to buy another one? Can you buy
Yes,
another one?
of course.
Alright. So,
I can buy 2.
okay, show it off to the people on the screen. I won't look.
Okay. That's my best. That one.
Alright, can they see it? Alright, put it down. Put it down. Alright, guys, look the other way, Hayden. Oh god, I messed up. Sorry, guys. Okay. Alright, I opened my guy. See him? He's right here.
Oh, I heard someone's name. It was like Sam.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright,
Me first.
now we get to go on the market and guess who the players are. So, you're first? Alright, guess. What'd you say?
Okay. Is yours 76 or under?
Yes, sir. Is yours 77 or under?
Hold on. Mine.
Get in the screen.
Stop.
Get in the screen on my computer.
Okay, I guess.
Move your chair over.
77. Okay. Is mine what? Under?
77 or under. I'm clicking 77.
It is 77 and under.
Okay.
Is yours a animal logo?
Is the logo an animal?
Yeah.
No, sir. Is your overall 77?
Yes. Is yours 77?
No.
Hold on.
You asked if he was 76 or under, so obviously he was 77. We can't take your question back. All right. Is he on offense or defense?
Defense. Hold on. We'll let the animal know.
I'll blow the animals for you. No, it's not animals. It's not an animal. It's
Oh, you said it was an animal.
No, I didn't. Hold on, guys. Sorry about this.
We're just having fun.
All right. Is yours on the line? Is he a DE, a DT, or LB, or MLB?
He is one of those.
All right, good.
Is yours on offense?
No, sir. Is yours linebacker?
No. Is yours a defense?
A defense?
Or is yours on defense?
Yeah. Okay. Is yours an MLB?
No. Is yours an MLB, LB, or S?
Yes. Is yours a DT?
No. Is yours an LB?
LB?
Mhm.
No. I meant maybe. Maybe. No. I think he's no. Yeah. No. All right.
Okay.
Is your player? Is he have a logo on his? Does he have an animal on his logo?
Let me
Jeez.
see. He doesn't.
Doesn't.
Sold. Something sold. Okay. Is yours an S?
No.
Okay, it's an
All right. I have a couple options. Okay. Is your player Darnell Dockett?
Where? No. Is yours John Beeson?
John Beeson?
Yeah.
No. Is your player Corey Liuget?
No. Is yours Curtis Lofton?
Nope.
Dang it.
Hold on. Okay. Hold on. It's loading. Madden Mobile takes forever if I can load it. Oh my god. Madden Mobile. It's really bad, guys.
I know. Terrible.
Alright, I'm gonna log it and log back in. Let's see if this.
Wow. Oh, this is gonna take forever.
Are you just gonna keep on guessing the guys along the row?
Yes.
You don't even know my overall yet. You should guess my overall.
Whatever.
It's my turn though.
Ah.
Auction. Okay, I need to get off all the 18s. One of them's your team, right? One of them's your team?
Yes.
Alright, good. Okay, oh, yeah, I need the overall. 77.
Oh, 977.
No, he's in his position as a DE. I guess Corey Liuget. Okay, it can't be Corey Liuget. Alright, so is your player Robert Ayers?
No.
Dang.
Is yours 76 overall?
No. Is yours a 77? Stephen Bea.
No. Is yours a 75?
No. Is yours a 77? Jeremy Mincy.
No.
I mean, yes, he's a 75, yes.
What?
Okay.
You told me
Yours
that.
is not Jeremy Mincy? Is it Michael Johnson?
You can't get. No.
No?
Stop. Hold on.
Is
Stop.
he 77?
Stop.
Those are. Oh, there's one more. This is the last guy. If it's your guy, you better guess all out right now.
Okay. Oh no.
I told you mine. If you guess right.
Is yours Nate Irvin?
Nope.
Irving.
Mine was. Wait, if your guy's this guy, is your guy Wall Skillberry?
Yes.
Alright, sell your guy up on the market for 500 coins, please.
500? God, this is barely any. Hold on. 500? No, 5,000.
Yep, no, 500. I'm gonna snipe him for 500, okay? That's part of the deal. Gil Berry. Did you put him up for 500?
Yes.
Alright,
Now
Oh, I'm gonna
I
snipe
can
him. It's
run
9:30.
2 pro packs. Pro packs. Pro packs. Someone so.
Oh, I think it's 9:31 now. All right, guys. So we're gonna do one more pro pack, I think.
No, 2. Because
Two.
I have 2 left.
All right, guys. Hopefully we can pull an elite. Hopefully we can get some elite.
Hold on.
All right, I'm opening my pro pack, guys. Oh, here's my player, guys. All right.
Open later.
You see him? All right.
Okay, I guess I'm doing mine. Don't look. You go the other way. Hold on.
I'm putting my iPad in front of my face.
Okay, there he is.
All right, I'll let you guess first again because you're like amazing.
Okay, Is your overall is your overall 75 again?
No. Is yours a 77 or lower?
No.
No.
Is yours a 77 or lower?
Don't think so.
Go check.
Yes, he is 77 or lower.
77 or lower, okay.
Is yours a 80 overall rounder?
Yes,
Please.
of course. Is yours a 77?
Yes.
Ooh.
Is yours a 78?
Yes.
Alright.
Is your position on offense?
No. Is yours on defense or offense?
Defense or offense? No.
He's not on defense or offense?
No.
Your best player?
Yeah. Is yours on defense?
Oh, I think I know who he is. Right?
Is yours on defense?
Is mine on defense? Yes. Now I just need to eliminate the teams. Alright. Is your player have a logo of an animal?
Let me see. No.
No.
No, he doesn't.
Alright.
Does yours have a logo of an animal?
No, his logo is not an animal on it.
Okay. Is yours a...
Hold on, it's not your turn!
Ah.
I'm doing stuff. Okay, I have 3 decisions. No, I can't do the Ravens. Wait, who's not on the Ravens anymore? Yeah, come on, okay, is your player Andre Roberts?
No. Is yours a LBS or DT?
No. Is your player Mark Mariani?
No. Oh, yes.
Yes? Yes! Put him up on the market for 500 points. Just quickly so I can snipe both of them.
Dang it.
I'm gonna snipe Gilbert again. Because it's 9:34.
Okay.
No, baby, sniping all my brother's players. Oh boy. Alright.
I'm claiming my pro pack.
Alright, you can claim it and show it to the people.
Pro pack. Okay. Suck it. Oh my god, are you serious? That sucks.
Alright, it's time to leave you. It's
okay.
Alright, I'm sniping still, guys. Hold on. It's the snipe. Alright. Did you put on 500 points?
Yes. It's Gilbert. It's Gilberry. Did you put his overall and his number overall? No, I didn't. Did you put his gold player? So it might not come up. No, Adrian, it comes out at 9:37. Today it does. Hi.
Wait, is he 77 on that?
I think.
check your auctions. Do auctions tomorrow. Oh, they both sold already? What the heck? 500?
Yes.
Okay, maybe I missed it. Maybe he came out of the last one.
I told you.
Alright. Alright, guys. So, we're gonna open one more pro pack, right? Did you already open yours?
Yes.
Alright, guys.
I did.
We'll go ahead. Alright.
Pretty good.
This is gonna be really easy to guess for you.
Okay.
Or is it?
Is yours a 78? No, it's not.
No. Is yours an offensive defense?
It's on offense. Is yours a 75?
No.
It's just X'd out.
Alright, good. Is yours an 77 or lower?
I have no clue. No. Or yes. Yes, it is.
It is?
77 and lower. Is yours a 77 and lower?
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Alright. Is yours a 77?
No. Is yours a 77?
No. Is yours a 76?
Yes. Is yours a 76?
Yes.
Oh.
Is your player an offensive? Is he on the line? Is he an offensive tackle, OG or C?
No. Is yours on offense or defense?
No.
Ooh.
This is gonna be really easy, I guess. All right. Is your player wide receiver? Wide receiver?
Yes. Is yours a kicker or a kick returner?
A kicker or a kick returner?
Mm-hmm.
No. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to guess like right away. Okay. Is your player
Yes.
Cecil Shorts?
Yes.
You're serious?
Yes, you want to see?
Oh my god. I actually just guessed that. Oh my god. Put him up on the market for 750 coins. Or no, 500. No, 600. Or 750, okay?
Stop changing your mind all the time. It's so...
Alright, Shorts.
I will get a 2 trophy pack and a 6 trophy pack.
750 coins? Oh, are we gonna do another large quicksell?
Yes, we are. I'll try to.
Alright, let me still make the loot. Dude, Cecil.
Well, I don't have enough money, but
Oh, I did.
I have a 6 trophy pack.
Boy.
Oh, elite in a 6 trophy pack.
You can sell that for 7,500.
I know. Now 2 trophy packs.
And guys, here's a guide to selling trophies. Sell your gold trophies for 4K, sell your elite trophies for 7,500, sell your silver trophies for 1,100, and
bronze.
sell your, what else was it? Oh yeah, bronze trophies. You don't sell them. Just keep on getting them until you can like trade them in for silver trophies.
I have like 20 bronze trophies. And I have 2 silvers and no gold.
It says the shorts. Check your auctions, Hayden.
I know.
Say shorts. Sold.
Sold.
Cecil Shorts sold?
Adrian, yeah.
No, he did not. Cecil Shorts? How? I was sniping him. Did you put him up again?
Yes.
Oh my god, my iPad just turned off, guys.
It's out of batteries.
I know.
I guess I'm gonna snipe for 7. I guess I'm gonna snipe golds. Adrian, can you snipe golds for me?
No.
Gold trophies? Why?
I shouldn't have made you suffering through that pain of pain.
Why?
Are you gonna? Here, I can snipe gold trophies for you.
I
It's
know.
940,
That's what I wanted.
No, you need to reset the whole thing. No, you press reset. Gold. How many gold trophies do you need?
A 4, of course. And 3 silver trophies. Yeah.
Do you spell it right?
Yes, of course I did. TROPHY.
Oh, it's 941. So.
Booyah! Allah. Move it. Allah. Move it in your face.
Alright, let's do a small quick sell, Hayden.
No!
You're gonna pull 25k. You're gonna pull 25k.
No, I'm not.
You are.
No, I'm not.
Everybody does really good in small quick sells.
No, they don't.
Alright, ready, guys?
They suck in large quick.
25k!
Oh!
I told you! Oh my god, boy. Now we can do more large quick sell guessings.
Boys!
Guys,
Adrian,
this video
Adrian.
is like really long. I'm sorry about it. It's like really long though.
Yeah.
Anyways, alright guys, we're gonna stop the video here
And
then
we're gonna
do a part 2.
Yeah.
Okay? We'll see you guys later. Hopefully you enjoyed. Recommend my channel to your friends. And remember, enter my giveaway. And my brother Hayden. Say bye, Hayden.
Bye-bye.
See you.
Adrian, do you wanna... Okay, now let's do a part 2 of large quick sells.
I know.
And can you send me another pro pack?
No.
And then we'll guess another pro pack?
No, I don't want to waste any more of my money.